Hello guys, it's been a long time since we made a video, but I just had this, which is we're going to get a double upload today. This is the first one. Come on, let's start with this trash can. How did I open this the first time?
So what is this? Let's show everyone the front of the box. Grocery gang, putrid power. So there's gonna be some grocery guys in here, and some cleaning guys.
Yeah, there going to be some big guys and little guys.
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look. So look at this. Look at this. These are let's open these big guys.
These are big guys?
Yeah. They look like big guys to me.
I think they're
I think these are the big guys. Like these trash cans are the big guys. Let's start with this guy.
Okay. Oh, they must all be in here, but go ahead and open another can.
Okay, let's see. So these are the cans. I think they're supposed to go in this set.
Oh, there you go. You know what it is? They're just empty collector cans to keep them in. Alright, so all the guys are in here.
Okay, I think we're going to have... Okay.
Be careful.
This is going to be... I think we're going to only unbox... But, okay, first one we ever got. Let's see.
Which one is he? You got him?
Okay, we got... Ooh, big fat...
We should look to see if you have any sparkly ones, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to find this guy. I'm gonna put him on there, like the display. Okay.
Hold on.
Did you pause the video?
Nope, I'm still going.
Hello.
You keep opening that one. Here's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna pop the tops on a bunch of these.
Got a lobster. I may do some vids about these.
Like I said, hold on. We're almost there. I've almost got all of them cut. I might have cut that guy. Hopefully he wasn't too important. Alright. So you got a lobster.
I got a hamburger.
Is he a disgusting one?
Yeah.
Now, is the blue guy, is he a cleaning guy or a grossy guy?
He's a grossy guy. Anything that looks gross or, like, isn't going to be...
Oh, yeah.
Detergent or anything that will clean... Anybody like cake? Because this is your cake ruined.
Okay. You gotta hold them still, because they're tiny, to zoom in on them. Blah.
Let's see who this is. I don't even know.
Who's that guy?
Okay, this is for Dad.
Because he's a lunch pail?
I thought it was,
A toolbox?
Ooh, look what we got here.
Let's see. Is he a shiny one?
Yeah, he's one of these guys.
Oh, he's like a metallic shiny one.
But he's actually tiny.
So he's one of the shiny finishes. Well, they're all going to be tiny, honey. They're all the same size, I think. So he's one of the cleaning guys. He's so sparkling clean.
What?
He must be washout.
Oh, yeah, that's for... This is a toilet. We need a clogger. Okay.
Well, we don't have anything to clean a toilet with.
How about plunger?
Well, let's see if we find one.
This is definitely not a plunger. Wait, is this a poop? No, it's a slug. Top 10 ripoffs of the year hashtag.
Slug. Don't put salt in that one.
Why? Yeehaw! Glad to kick your booty.
A cowboy boot. No, actually, I think it's more of a motorcycle. No, I guess it's a cowboy boot, but it's the proper toe for that. What do we have over here?
Did someone...
I'm so tiny. It's a blue crab, Maryland blue.
Did someone everybody do the flop? Say everybody do the flop. What?
Clam. What's it say in his mouth? Oh, it's just teeth, it's not words. Ugh. No pearl of wisdom there.
It's not an oyster. God.
Oh, you're right, it's a clam. Some other type of mollusk.
I don't know what it...
See this?
What is that?
Is it a tortilla or burrito? It is a Danish. Dirty Danish.
This is mint. Okay.
So you got some athletic ones going here. What else we got?
One second. So this is actually one of the big ones.
One of the collector ones?
Yeah, like one of the big ones.
A fish.
Oh, this is a big one. There's two big ones in this.
They're like limited edition guys.
That's sticky, and this is sticky fish sticks. Sticky fish. What is that, guy?
Let me see him.
That is
Sticky?
Sloppy Pizza Box, and that was
Sloppy
Fish and
Pizza
Sticks.
Box. All right, very cool. All right, this one's been long. We're going to have to do another one.
Yeah, I'm going to do another one about this. So, goodbye!